Zane? Yeah, man, me I talk back to Shinehead. Zane and Worrior. Shinehead, one brother.
Yo.
Me there, man.
Where's that? Live on Facebook?
Live, man, live.
Check.
Up, man, live. You're live.
All right. In the words of Tony Montana, okay. Let me go back outside and we come in and we try this again, okay? Take two, ready, action. All right. This is Shinehead. With the great father, Wayne Lonesome.
Up.
All courtesy of Mr. Worrior.
Up.
Now, this is Runting Sound.
Yes, man.
Right?
Yes, I.
Runting Sound.
Runting's label record company. The whole Runting's production, home of Runting's sound, Runting's recording studio, Runting's promotion, artist management and bookings. It's a whole company. Zane?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Let me make this clear.
Yeah, man.
I'm a little dude guy here, Humpty Dumpty, posing as Runting. His name is Jabby Clarkson Cougar. Phone number 305-209, posing as Runting. And him called Butterfly and a harasser the 2 days. So he now take up the thing now and he start harassing back now. But Worrior, out of nowhere, out of the universe, call and intercept the thing.
Yeah, man.
So Worrior shot, Worrior actually shot the terrorism idea to put back on him.
See
you
it.
understand? Because Worrior call you,
yeah, man.
Lonesome,
yeah.
the real Runting Sound.
Yeah, man.
See, so we just want the world to know that.
See,
this is Shinehead. And when the fake Runting die, it's the real Runting killing him. Always with those doves. You hear that, Jabby? You hear that, Clarkson Cougar?
Up.
You hear that, Mr. 305-209 Z7089. Let me ask you this. Are you really happy here with this phony game you play? How absurd the word you say. You, Mr. Jabby Clarkson Cougar. What you do? Cut and paste and slicing plays the wrong tune anyway. You're lost in your masquerading.
Up.
Yeah,
man.
You fat boy, dude guy when he am Jabby. 305-209-7089. Stop pose as the real Runting. Counterfeiting is a federal offense in the United States of America. And if police come in for the sound system thing, IRS will come in too. And you better have real blood clot dog else you're going to prison for falseness. See, I have to go pay the whole we have to go pay tax, whether we are buying it up or we are selling it up. And you are fuck up the business. My number 500 a tune. Why? Because it built up gradually. That's why. It never come out of nowhere. Which means you can't play in a Shabba who is 1,500 and you can't play in a Supercat which is 4,500 euro or 5,000 US. So knock it off with your little bullshit. 40 years I've been wishing and hoping and fantasizing. I wish a nigga would. And here you come. Look what you made us do. You're acting like a little boy, Jabby. And that's why you're getting stunned by Father Wayne Lonesome, Worrior, and Shinehead. I've been asking about you. The fake run thing. I've been asking about the fake run thing. Yo, it ain't good, baby Paul. Let me tell you. San Diego, alone me call. Worrior call me out of nowhere. And I guess you're dead quick, Jabby. Clarkson Cougar. 305-209-7089. You understand?
Man. Yeah.
So cease and desist. Because I got one word for you, Mr. Clarkson Cougar Jabby. One word. You ready for that word, yeah? Ajax. Ajax. I dead, you're dead.
Yeah, man. But me I tell them on them, on a serious note, them.
Well, I know.
Yeah, man.
You go on like you watch too much Batman and you go on like the Joker. Let me tell you this, you're psycho, but me triple psycho. You hear that? I will silence of the lambs, you're stinking blood clot. You're fucking with Doctor Strange. You hear that? Okay.
Yeah, man. But if I tell them on them, say them
Little boy, Jabby.
Yeah, man.
Little boy, Jabby. Clarks and Cougar. 305-209-7089. Stop the fakeness. Stop messing with Father Lonesome things and run along like the little boy you are and go and enjoy like a 40-year-old fucked up no bumbo clot life. That will be all. This message will self-destruct in 5 seconds. No mission, no impossible to me. Remember that pussy word.
Same way. See? The man them to stop the fake business there. And yeah, man, and stop. You can't, let me tell you now, run things is as me tell you now, trademark is a register business. When you know it's a record label established from 1992. And that is how much years that? Check the years. 27 years that upon. See? You know what, nearly 30 years that. So then nearer to 30 than 20. Don't. So you don't want to do that. Them things that we are doing.
Now and tell the people that the fake run things got to run away.
Boop. Boop. You see it? And because I read the text them, you know. And the man will send me some text. And I read the text and the man will say him have enough dope and the man not pose up as me, man. The man not pose up as me, as I said before. That is it. Because you can't take off the dub off of YouTube and use it. It's a trap. It's a trap. So if you not play the intro, and when you cut off the intro and put in something else, every rhythm, every tune on the play, the rhythm it can't change. So tell me one now, people can identify the tune. See me I say? You see me I talk about? So now if you know them things. Yeah, man. You understand? So you have to stop that foolishness there. Stop that foolishness there.
Yeah.
You understand?
That little fat boy when he am Jabby Clarkson Cougar 305-209-7089. Season, this is them to get an orange envelope from a big liar. You hear that?
Simple, man. Man, them to stop the foolishness, man.
Yes, swing it.
Yeah, man. Stop the foolishness. Stop it. You understand? Stop it. Can you see it? Everywhere you go, you see one thing. See it there? And the Lucky D show this for the 2nd of November. See it? You want to see a run thing show down. 2nd of November. Lucky D live in concert. Run things record promotion in association with Wayne Lonesome and Mama Angie. Yeah, presents what? 80s, 90s. See? Lucky D live.
Is the real run thing.
You understand? So when you see this, yeah, man. Wanna stop the foolishness.
No, run away.
You understand? Stop the foolishness. Man, if you know better than that. You hear that? Yeah, man. Stop the foolishness. Straight. You understand? It no make no sense. It no good for your man say, alright, I can get up and make a bill because I can bill off a well once. No, work. That nah go work. Just find a name for your sound and build a sound. Because every man, what you feel? If you want some artist and producer, you don't want to go around that. And then who shall artist say I go for go cut dub? If a man finds a run, a man say, but hold on, but not want some a record label that and everything in a big company that in a way you do. You set up yourself for last week, man.
Let me kill him.
Yeah, man.
Give me way, let me kill him. Let me kill him. When the rumble, the chip on a million for this time to get wicked. Killmonger said, when the rumble, the chip on a million for this time to get wicked. Father Lonesome said, why you will die with it up in your win? You must think a government capture land. Why you will die with the mic in your win? You must think a government capture land. Father Lonesome hold him and clip off the wing. He come in like a West Coast and I sing, yes. Father Lonesome hold him clip off the wing. He come in like a when Scorpion and thing we come to seek and destroy. All evidence get erased. When they say nothing means nothing, we don't left out a trace. That's even mad like a sure. Like none of them not no kiss. Nothing that print no dental record and me shut up your face. Feeling like you the warning, you know, take you lose weight, you lose your mind and your beat not go sweat me, you know, second chance. Take your last breath, sign the wheel to whoever can your next life for the back. When the rumble, the ship on a million for the time to get the wicked.
Well,
when the rumble, the ship on a million for the time to get the wicked. Kill man, that's it. Boy, we die with it up in your way. You must think a government capture land. Boy, we die with the mic in a watch out.
Will, you see me I talk about? You see me I say, hey, Shinehead. Yeah, man, what you say, man? But yeah, this is Shinehead. More you talk to the people them because them listen to you still, but more you talk to the people them and tell them when you drop 2 new 45 to carry you on the live same way, you know. And you know, say, for we have you on the live, we still have a talk, yeah. Because we now follow some guys, you see me I say? People them look out for Shinehead, you know.
Well, we link up with Lenny and Brian Hart, you know.
Yeah.
And them can't cut the vibe.
Sin.
Can't cut with, yes, so collaboration I go on there, so. Red Fox called me, we're there.
Yeah.
And Goofy called me, Mr. G. Mr. G called me, we're there.
Yeah, man.
Things out to go on with Red Fox and Mr. G, formerly known as Goofy.
Yeah.
You know, in the same lane as those young chaps, those young fellows like Mr. Roman Virgo and Mr. Christopher Martin and thing and
yeah.
And that out for Guan. Yana thing.
All right.
And that
yeah,
man. Guan, and we still have the voice.
We know, man, never lose it, man. All right. So the people that are for you.
All right, then. At last, my love has come along. All right. Yo, I want to kill him again. I want to kill a little fake shabby boy that's from Miami. I want to kill him again for the Facebook Live.
Yeah, man.
Let me tell you a little fat boy that is. First things first, the Mike Cherry died farming dirty John Crows. I fuck him up with the skate land and the Bronx flows. Meat cleaver, chop him up como cilantro, strong soul, guided by Jack, that make a long soul. When trouble take your ladder, God pick the shorty type of picture. Keep doing that dumb shit. I'ma get you till you get the picture. Split it like a switcher, spill your liquor. Homies looking at you like, why you brought us with your chuck? I blaze through the door. I said it before. What the block? What you think all the dumplings for? Clash finger juggling. I got a bomb in every wall, hitting, beating down the walls, cause I'm bad till I'm bored. From the days of Theodore, Flash Code, Flush 4, Slick, CLP, Heavy Trouble, T-Roy, DST, Kick a Free, Funk Flex, Eating Wall to the Valley, Harlem, Will, and back to build more. I'm way up the ladder, ahead of some brother, we never get it together. Who love to rub one another, all in the name of the cheddar, love to rock sister and brother. Y'all dudes is delirious. Why so serious? Look, man, took you 40 years to see the damn light. Book your ass for the show, you missed the damn flight. You turn to rock cause you flop, you don't jam right. And by the sound of them dubs, somebody can't write. Internet, bad man, them have not stop, and now you get valet park, shit lock off, you know the drill, ash to ash, dust to dust. When you can't catch Quark or you catch him shut, you're in a rut to something much with so and such. You just shot 2 monkeys, fuck you little mutt. This isn't about my ego, though admittedly one of the best flows. Mad Lion, Super Nat, Stretch, KRS, said so. So let's go. Get dough, up down to get yo. Fall off? Heck no. What the fuck you expect, yo? Solo, I guess so. Glad said, respect, yo. In a line. You thought I was muerto. Tokyo, Cerrito, San Diego, Sacramento, I-95, doing 9 to 5 to Sacramento, all the cities in between. Come on, you know I can't forget you. Boom back with a flow so fat it's like a step show. Come again and tell your friend about the next show. Protect your next flow at every ganja expo and make sure it's second nature. Your best to get low when you hear the sound of a general echo.
Boop, boop. Is. Hey, Shinehead. Everything done said, man. Everything said. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So as I say, yeah, brethren, let go for them things and just change up on the sound name and do the right thing. You understand? And don't go on the fake thing now go work. It now go work and everybody will not get very soon and thing. We're not doing that. Yeah, man. That's
my name Clarkson Cougar International or Jabby International.
Yeah, simple.
Phone number make blood clot sound name.
Yeah. Yeah, you can just take our 3 number out of the phone name. If you have 360 in the phone name, you just take it and use it 666. And just say AKA the mark of the beast. You understand? Bust quick. You see me I say? I have some 2 in you just use the 2, number 2. Your sound name number 2 high power. You know, there's something where, you know, catch quick. People I think about it and say,
I'm telling you something before me left, see?
Yeah, man.
Run King sound is what I've been missing with Wayne Lonesome.
Boop, boop.
That is the real and only one.
Big, big, big. Up there.
Blessed love.
Blessed be, brother. All right, sir. But there.
Right.
Up here, brother. All right, later. Yeah. Yeah, nephew, later.
Aye.
Yeah, man. But a real thing, man, them for stop the foolishness. Because this is what me get to them. I say me lie down there and see ya. People see ya. So me get there. Man say, shiny that cost me. And I see there. See them there? See what the man say, yeah? See them, eh? And I say, my cost me and I cost sound. Not never go so, you know. Man, them for stop the foolishness. You see me, I say? So we know the foolishness. Because when you can't see it, see it, eh? You know see it? Yeah, man. And never, shiny never that cost me, you know. So shiny that cost me. Man, them a pose up as me. As run things sound and them things, so. Man, them for just let go for the foolishness. Me just send it back to that and show people. And me show people how I do it. Man will call me. See that up here, so. Man will call me. Take a picture of the man. See me? See me? See him there? Man will call me. See him? So I see him name down there, so. See there? Man they call me. So I just take the picture and me just want the man them say, yo, leg off for the foolishness. We don't have foolishness. See here? Lonesome. I'm out. Knocking. See here? Alright, cool. Man them for stop the foolishness, man.